Okay, I am taking 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Into it add some salt as per your taste. Salt as per taste. Add half a teaspoon chili powder. These are peppercorn. Half a teaspoon peppercorn, black pepper. Half a teaspoon jeera powder. Half a teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Mix them all very well. Now add little by little water and make it into a smooth batter. Now our batter is ready. We will be adding mushrooms into it. About 250 grams of mushrooms. I have taken button mushrooms. Mix it well. Okay, now let it set for 1 hour. Now into it I will be adding about half a teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Mix it well. Tablespoon of corn flour, 3 tablespoons. That was just 2.5 tablespoons. Mix them all well. You can see it is mixed well and nice. We will go ahead and deep fry them. Let us now heat a pan and add oil into it to deep fry. One piece and reduce the flame. Make sure you reduce the flame. Pour one by one. Allow it to cook on one side. And gradually turn it to the other side. You can see it has become nice light golden brown in color. Let us take it out of the flame. Make sure the flame is very slow. This is how here in South India they make it like this. When you go towards the northern part of India, they usually garnish it with the sauces like soy sauce and chili sauce and etc. But here in South India they add rice flour so that it becomes nice and crispy, which is served with tomato sauce. Serve it with delicious tomato sauce. So I'm going to try one of these. I'm just going to dip it in the tomato sauce. I'm not so fond of that. Yummy. You can see it's delicious. It's actually very tasty. If you add some color into it, food color into it, you will get the reddish color. I have not added food coloring, but this is very tasty and I loved it. It's quite crispy because of the rice flour. So yeah, it is so flavorful and so tasty. Please do check it out. Thank you so much for watching. VeenasKitchen.com. Yum. Actually, you don't need any sauce for this.